What's up guys, Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. I'm about to take you through an awesome ab workout that's going to help you get the thick, blocky abs, alright? The well-defined abs that stand out. So the cool thing is, you're going to do this at home. You can do it at home using nothing but a gallon water jug, alright? I'm going to show you a couple variations that you can use other things as well, but all you need is a gallon water jug and you can do this entire workout. You're going to want to do 2 or 3 rounds. If you do 2 rounds, this is only a 5-minute workout. If you do a third, it's only a 7-minute workout. So you can do this 2 or 3 times a week. So it's an awesome ab workout. And I've got my timer ready. We're going to do 4 different exercises, 30 seconds each for each exercise, all right? Little rest in between, just long enough to get into the next exercise. At the end of the 4 exercises, you're going to want to rest 15 seconds and then do it again for another round. And if you can do 3, do 3. But I'm going to take you through one. First one we're going to do Russian twist with a water jug, all right? Side to side. Keep your legs, feet off the ground. This is going to help work the rotational core muscles. Keep your abs tight throughout the entire exercise. All right, straight into the straight arm overhead crunch. This is all the resistance you're going to need. The goal is to go straight up. Keep your head and chin up as well. Don't lean forward. Keep the weight directly up, and you're trying to push it up as high as you possibly can. And again, keep those abs tight throughout the entire exercise. All right. Next thing we're going to do, I'm actually going to use a band for reverse crunches. If you don't have a band, you can use a dumbbell. The goal is to add resistance to your lower abs. Make those lower abs work and contract. Again, you don't have to have a band. You can have a dumbbell between your feet. All right, the last one, push-pull plank. You can do a straight plank, straight arm plank. 4, back. Or you can do it from your elbow as well. Keep your spine neck neutral. All right, that's the end of one round. Tough round. Again, the goal is to do as many of these as you can in 30 seconds with good form. Keep your entire core engaged, abs tight, flex throughout every single exercise. Good form, head and back should be neutral when you do all these exercises. And the key to this is you're adding resistance. That's where the thick muscle comes from. You're not just flattening your abs, you're actually building some abs. So you'll have the well-defined abs, all right? But again, the reverse crunch is the only one I didn't use a gallon water jug with. You can do it with no resistance, the band like you saw me use, or a dumbbell, all right? Hold it tight between your feet and just do your natural reverse crunch. But all right, guys, great workout. Give it a shot. Like I said, wait and rest 15 seconds, and then you'll go into your second round. 2 is great. If you can do 3, man, that's even better. But just push yourself, challenge yourself, but do it correctly. All I got, guys, comment below. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Get some of your buddies to subscribe as well. And that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.